Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix mobile data not working on Samsung phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're using a Samsung mobile and your mobile data isn't working, start by restarting your device. Once you try to restart your device, your networks will now be refreshed. So now you need to simply ensure that mobile data is enabled. You need to check for a strong signal and verify your data plan. If issue persists, try to toggle your airplane mode, checking your APN setting and resetting your network settings as potential solutions. So by using these simple and easy ways, you can simply make your mobile data start working again on your Samsung device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.